Hello. So, one of the things that a lot of people ask me about making money online is how do I get started? And I want to speak about how you can live in Zimbabwe and also get to work and get work in Europe. I mean, thanks to the internet, it has allowed us to create an environment where you can actually get a job from a place that is not in Zimbabwe, and you can actually do work. So on the 18th of June, it will be a Friday. I'm hosting a seminar, and at this seminar, I'll be discussing about how you can actually get started. I'm going to show you the steps that you can actually get started to set yourself up for online work and get jobs and get paid while you're at home. I mean, these tips are not something that is coming from my head. These are proven concepts, something that I've actually done over the years, and it has proved to work. So the event is going to take place on the 18th of June, and it's going to be in Harare. And if you are one of my YouTube followers, if you are struggling to make money online, and if you wonder how people make money online, you must never miss this event, because I last did my event I think in 2018, somewhere there, and this is actually 2021. I'm doing the very first event. I'm not sure when next I'm going to do another event again. So there's only limited spots, and it's going to be like for 40 people only, and tickets are selling. I'm going to add the details in the comment section where you can actually get your tickets and the details about the event. So yeah, I mean, a lot of people, they are dying to know the processes that works, and it's a huge discount for $5 with the amount of information that I'm going to be sharing at the event. So if you have a lot of internet, if you are just sitting at home, you don't know where to get started, I recommend that you attend this event. Okay, this is where I share everything that I do, because what you just see on the internet is just a reflection of what I do. But if you want to get to know what I do in the background, like if I need to set up an online business, what I do, the things that I think, the softwares that I use, and things like that, then you must come to the event. With that being said, I look forward to seeing you at the event in person, and bye for now.